Want to use your own custom fonts in CapCut? Here's how to import any font you like, step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to import a custom font into CapCut for both Windows and Mac. We begin by going to the website dfont.com. Search for the font you want to use. In this example, we're going with Supermilk. Once you've found it, click Download and save the font file to your computer. After the download is complete, open the downloaded zip file and install the font. Once the font is installed on your system, you'll need to restart CapCut. Completely close the app, then reopen it. Now, open any existing project or create a new one. Go to Text, drag a text box onto your timeline and select it. You can adjust the color or position if needed. Next, go to the Font tab. Scroll down until you see the System Fonts section. If it's not expanded, click to open it. You'll find the custom font you just installed, like Supermilk, right there. Select your font, adjust the size, color and placement, and you're done. Now your custom font is live in your CapCut project. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom font in CapCut. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick CapCut tips.